Hello again, Asmodeus here, and welcome to episode 23 of my Age of Engineering series. Well, between episodes, I've done a lot of waiting, and waiting, and more waiting for Enderman to spawn. When I wasn't waiting, checking resources, we got, stack and a half of diamonds, one, two, three, four stacks of iron. Also, as I'm waiting for Enderman to spawn, I got bored and went ahead and built our other metal presses so we can get prepared for our automation. So we have one for each type of plate. And finally, I went through, basically completely wiped out all 70 something levels that we had. Got our dark armor all set up, so we're empowered 4 for the helmet. Now I just need to make some more dark armor and get protection on all of these, so they're all empowered. I have almost all the upgrades I want. Have glider on the chest plate, things like that. I have, what else do I have on this? I think I have jump 3. I think we did that in the past episode. So these are just about ready to go, except for the actual enchantments themselves, and that's just going to take a bunch of dark steel. So a lot of that iron that we have out there in our void ore miner is going to get converted to dark steel. I did get enough ender pearls to go through and make some eyes of ender. Used our newly crafted armor to use the gliders and did some exploring with the eyes of ender. If I pull up the map here, you can see how far I went through, and I was actually able to find the end portal. It's not too bad. I mean, it's pretty much straight across right over to here. Found the end portal, but I did not have enough ender pearls or eyes of ender to open the portal. So that's part of what I want to work on today. I'm getting tired of ender pearls and things like that being our gate and our stopping point. So I managed to get a soul vial enderman. There again, just waiting for one to spawn. Need to, here's the spawner for the silverfish that was at the end portal. Let's put those in those, no. Wait, that needs to go in here. That and that, and I need to go get 8 levels. Oops. Okay, there's our 8 levels. Alright, so let's convert this spawner to an Enderman spawner. Alright, this is going to take some time. So, in the meantime, where I want to set this up is where I discussed before, down here in our basement. So we're going to need to run power over there. trying to decide, maybe if we relocate these here, do I have relays, but I don't think I have, there's a connector. So we can put a connector there, and where is our engineer's hammer? Okay, we can set this to out. I can't see it from here. Alright, maybe I need to go up a block. Okay, let's try this again. Alright. Apparently this is a little wider, so it's in, that's out. There we go. And what we'll do is we'll just take this straight down, right here through the floor. Okay, no axe, so we'll just break it by hand. Okay. So that'll come down there, and then we can run it across. Kind of like this to stay there, and then we'll put the relay there, and we should be able to run it across from there. Okay, do we have cable? We have one coil. So we'll go from there to there. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's kind of in here in the corner and unobtrusive, so that's not bad. Alright, so we're going to need more relays, we're going to need more connectors, and we're going to need more cable. Two of those. Alright, which one? This one. So much more efficient. I'm liking it. Okay. We need some sticks. We can do this. Guess I should make the sticks first. There we go. Okay, that should be enough to get us across. Alright, so HV, we're going to need more relays. So that's just aluminum and this insulated glass. Any extra insulated glass. Okay, don't see any. Alright, we can do that. Iron dust and cactus green, not a problem. Let's get a few of these and take this out. Hopefully this works. Okay. Then then we need our green dye. And some glass. And then we just need aluminum. Probably just 6. That'll get us 2 sets, and that should be plenty. Okay. So let's head downstairs. Okay. Usually we can go out about 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so right in front of here. So right about there. Let's see if this connects. Linking. Linking. Very good. That works. And then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lost track. Okay. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. And there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, perfect. Just like that. From there to there, and then from there to there. Perfect. Alright, let's go check on our spawner. We were underneath it and I didn't hear it running, so that's a good sign that it should be about finished. Alright, broken spawner Enderman. Alright. Alright, we're going to need a machine chassis. And spawner, powered spawner. Electrical steel we can do. We have the chassis, vibrant crystals, mob head, and a Z-logic, which again is silicon, redstone. Okay, let's see what we have. We have 1 silicon. Now we have lots of silicon. Okay. Silicon. We need some solarium, which I just saw the corner of my eye. Zombie head, we have plenty. And a redstone. And all this goes in here. I need to make another axe and another set of shears. Not a problem. There's our axe. And there's our shears. And I guess it needs power. That would help. Alright, well I need to make some more of these connectors anyway, so Well, I can make one set. So we need Restonias, we need clays. We're gonna need 3 of those, 3 of those, and 3 aluminum. Okay, Restonia, copper, clay. Those, clay, and then iron, and then more clay, and aluminum. That gives us our connectors. Alright, power you up. And this shouldn't take long. Okay, let's do a little something about the inventory here. There, coal powder, sulfur dust. I don't need the engineer's hammer at the moment. Clay's done. Cactus green. Glass. Okay. Put the dark oak away. Buy these stone bricks. Alright. Electrical steel. More silicon, iron, and coal dust. Oh, we just put the coal dust away. Okay, 4 of those. 4 silicon and 4 iron. We'll get that cooking up. Alright, so we need vibrant crystals. Okay, emeralds surrounded by vibrant alloy nuggets. Let's see, what do I have left for emeralds? 1. Alright, well, we have a cure for that though. Ore, that should do it. That's the only upside I can think of to all of the waiting that I ended up doing for Enderman is it allowed our ore miner to sit there and run. That's the only upside I can think of. Oh, no, I just thought of something. We are completely at ender pearls, and I need ender pearls to make vibrant alloy. Oh, no. I have plenty of energetic alloy, but I need to smelt that with an ender pearl. Seriously, come on. I just don't have one stashed away somewhere. Wow. Well, I'm glad we're making an Enderman Spawner, because that's just frustrating. How are we looking in here? Yeah, we got a little RF. We could start setting that up. Generate a little bit of power. 9 grenades. I'd like that number to grow up a bit. I keep hoping I'll open this up and there'll be something really cool, like a precision separator or something like that. Something really, really rare, but no such luck. Alright. I've seen Enderman on the map, but it's somewhere in one of the caves. Alright, so I think we'll cut right here. I'll wait for more Endermen, and then we'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. And after what seemed like an excruciatingly long time, we have the 2 ender pearls we need. Still not getting any Enderman heads as drops or anything like that, so I'm kind of disappointed with that, but that's okay. I have a way of fixing that. Our miner just keeps continuing on. I'm probably going to switch this out, make a void resource miner instead of a void ore miner. But that'll be another episode. Today, let's finish getting this spawner built. Alright, so we need 2 of these guys. And we're going to interrupt our dark steel here real quick. 2 of those and 2 of those. I'm making the dark steel so I can do the enchanting on our armor and finish getting prepared to go fight the Ender Dragon. So put iron, coal powder, and obsidian back. Let's get our 2 gems going here. Okay, so 2 of those gives us 2 vibrants. And now we have enough to do another vibrant if we need it. Dark steel. I'm not sure where I'm putting that right now. We'll just put it in there for now. Okay. Do we have all we need? Okay, our powered spawner and our broken spawner. Hopefully I have enough levels to do this last part. Let's just take it all. And that, plus that. Barely enough. Now we have our Enderman Spawner. Okay, so let's go down and put this thing down. Somewhere probably, I want it close to our nutrient distillation, so where is this set up? Okay, the vat's right here. 206, 80, 214. Okay. So somewhere in this range. Let's just set it here for now. Show the range on it. Okay, so we need to build a box around this thing that will contain that. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay. So, like I said, I have a way to handle this. Keep hitting the wrong button. There, let's get rid of that. And, whoa, I got a screenshot. Cool. Fat fingers keep hitting the wrong buttons. Alright, so let's turn that off. So, I mean, we could go ahead, build the enclosure, and then manually kill these guys. But the reason that I want to be near the nutrient distillation is next up, the next thing I want to make is a little thing called a Killer Joe. That's just dark steel, fused quartz, and a Franken-Zombie. Franken-Zombie is the Z-Logic controller, which we can do, and a soul vial with a zombie in it, in the soul binder. Not too difficult. Let's see, we need a couple of these, couple of these. A zombie head and a redstone, I believe. That should give us a Z-Logic controller. I have an empty soul vial from making our Enderman Spawner, so let's go over here and see if we can grab a zombie real quick. I hear one. Probably differentiating the different. There we go. That wasn't so bad. He ran right to us. Okay. Let's go get this Franken-Zombie made. We also need fused quartz. That's not a big deal. So 4, 8, 12. Yeah, we can do that. Not a problem. Let's grab our quartz. Gonna have to process some more of that quartz ore, looks like. 36. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. Gonna have to take this out again. Now we can just throw it in like that. Finish up that last piece of dark steel. Thank you. Let that cook up, get our fused quartz. Let's see, we need to put these in the soul binder, that's right. So this guy and this guy, and looks like I'm a little shy on levels. Okay. Just seeing if I happen to stash any of the crystallized experience or solidified experience or whatever it's called. Alright, not seeing it. That's okay. Let's pair our sword up a bit. And 2 levels with our mob spawner should go fairly quick. Alright guys, line up. Come here. Really? You poisoned me? Really? Come on. Alright, so that is 6 levels. More than we need. Okay. Jump into the hot bar. Franken zombie. Check on our fused quartz situation. We are good there. You in the middle. Fused quartz. Dark steel. And that gives us our Killer Joe. Okay. And what this does is attacks nearby creatures when supplied with a sword and nutrient distillation. So it uses the nutrient distillation for power. That's why what's significant about using the Killer Joe though is it gives you player drops. So it's just like if a player killed the mob. So you get the same drops as if you had done it, which is why you can get the Enderman heads, or you can get, it actually drops experience as well. So if you have a way to collect the experience, what have you, then you have that option as well. So let's show the range on this guy. Okay. Do I have a block? So that's the extent of his range. So we could actually build like this. And then what I'll do is I'll make a second one. Okay, let's hide your range. Show your range. Okay, so we'll probably have to double layer because his range ends here. I suppose if we built our wall here, or is that the end of his range? Now I don't remember. Okay, yeah, that's the end of his range. So it's a little smaller. It's a little smaller range than our powered spawner. But if we left that guy there, or if we, let's see, we could do this and move it over one. Then that would just mean aesthetically, if we did a double wall back here, you wouldn't really notice it from the front. So that would be fine because we could run some conduits and things down the first section of the wall. And then actually have the wall here. And then this open space back here, we could run power conduits or whatever we needed through it. And then, let's see. If we actually built the wall like this, something in these lines. Okay. So you kind of get the picture. You see where I'm coming from here. We'll have a door here. I may put some, put some windows, things like that. Things, because we're not worried about explosions or anything. It's Enderman. As long as we keep them enclosed in here. I'm going to build another Killer Joe for this side. So it'll take this side of the spawner. And we should have automated Enderman. That would be very cool. Alright, so that's the plan. I'll make another Killer Joe off camera, set it up. I would like to do this in seared brick, so I will get our we'll get production going over here in the smeltery, get that going, and see about getting the outside of it and everything constructed, and then we can get it wired up and start killing Enderman mobs. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Press the like button if you did, please. If you have not done so, please subscribe, and until next time, have a wonderful day.